See the title. What I want to talk about today is keeping your hair from smelling in between workouts. So this is going to be for all my athletes out there or people who just work out a lot. I sweat a lot, so that stuff can build up and it will cause smell over time. You want to make sure to get it out of your hair at some point without overwashing. So what I like to do is wash with water only once a week. Wash with shampoo usually once every 2 or 3 weeks. Now at the end of the day, you got to find what works for you. I'm only one person on the internet and I found what works for me. Our hair is ever changing and sometimes our wash routine can be too. You also want to make sure that your hair is staying moisturized in between your wash days. So for me, what I like to do is spray a little bit of rose water on my hair pretty much every morning. I'll either use that or the hydrating mist from Free the Roots. I really like their stuff. I like to use their soap bar and the hydrating mist, and both of them work really well. They're really good for any natural hair, so go ahead and check them out. And I promise you, this is not an ad. I know I talk about them a lot, but I genuinely like their products. Something else you can do to keep sweat from getting in your locks is put it up when you're working out. I like to use just this regular band from Walmart. I'll put my hair up either just like this, or I put it all up like that, and that will stop my locks from getting sweaty from the back of my neck. At the end of the day, you're not gonna be able to stop yourself from sweating if you work out, but these are just a few tips to stop that sweat from accumulating and clogging up your pores and then causing smell. The main reason I'm even wearing one of these is because my locks are starting to get in my eye and they're blocking my vision. It's just getting annoying. And this is from my experience, so if you have anything to add, go ahead and drop that in the comments. You know, I'm always willing to learn from people with more experience than me, and I'm sure that a lot of people watching this are too. Also, I'm gonna do a subscriber Q&A, so if you have any questions for me, it doesn't have to be dreadlock related, any questions, drop them in the comments, or you can DM them to me at Troy Blyden on Instagram. I appreciate you guys, and until the next video, peace.